Hello everyone, in this video, I will be introducing an add-on for DAV Carvel 1, the Rotary Extension. The Rotary Extension is designed to engrave curved shapes. Next I'll go through 5 aspects of the Rotary Extension. 1. Accessories of Rotary Extension. 2. Operation mode. 3. 3 roller rotary gear positions and switching method. 4. 5 rotary chuck combinations and switching method. 5. How to connect to the machine. I'll start by introducing the accessories. The accessories includes 1 rotary chuck, 1 roller rotary, 1 lift table, 1 ball pusher, 1 2.5 mm and 1 3.0 mm Allen wrench, 1 motor power cable, 3 big stair type claws, 3 small stair type claws, 3 ball end shafts, 8 screws, 1 2 GT timing belt, 1 spirit level, 1 rotary extension manual. Rotary axis has 2 operating modes. One is the roller rotary mode, and the other is rotary chuck mode. Roller rotary, it can process regular cylinders, such as cylindrical cups. It can also combine with support modules to process irregular or elongated objects, like tall wine glasses or bottles. Rotary chuck, it can process spherical object, ring-shaped objects, and irregular cylinders, such as spheres, rings, and bracelets. Let's start by introducing the gear shifting and specific operational methods in roller rotary mode. Gear shifting in roller rotary mode. Switch the appropriate gear according to the diameter of the cylindrical object. The upper roller support remains fixed, while the lower roller support can be adjusted, with options for first, second, and third gears. Gear 1, object diameter ranges from 0.3 cm to 5 cm. Gear 2, object diameter ranges from 4.5 cm to 6 cm. Gear 3, object diameter greater than 6 cm. Therefore, the gear selection should match the diameter of the object. Gear shifting procedure in roller mode. 1. Remove the screws from the bottom roller support. 2. Choose the appropriate hole based on the cylinder's diameter and insert it. 3. Tighten the screws. Next, let's introduce the rotary chucks component combination. Before operation, remove the roller support bracket. Install our chuck component, ensuring you have a timing belt to installation screws and a 3 mm hex wrench ready. Secure the timing belt onto the chuck. There are several configurations for chuck mode components. 1. Rotary chuck plus small stair type claw, suitable for processing objects with rounded bottoms, with a diameter up to 100 mm, such as cups. Install it. 2. Rotary chuck plus big stair type claw, suitable for processing objects with non-rounded bottoms, with a diameter ranging from 1 mm to 100 mm. 3. Rotary chuck plus ball end shaft, suitable for processing ring-shaped objects like bracelets and rings. Adjust the size. Okay. 4. Rotary chuck plus ball end shaft plus ball pusher, suitable for processing spheres with a diameter ranging from 25 mm to 70 mm. Assemble it and take a look. It doesn't need to be too tight here. Leave some space. And tighten the knob below. Once you tighten the 3 claws, let's test it to confirm they form concentric circles. 5. Rotary chuck plus small stair type claw plus lift table. Suitable for assisting roller mode in processing irregular or elongated objects, like tall wine glasses or bottles. Let's demonstrate. It has selectable settings, can be set in 2 modes, here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 gears can be adjusted. We're selecting the second to last gear. Lastly, let's introduce how to connect the rotary extension to the machine. 1. Insert one end of the motor connection wire into the motor base of the rotary extension and plug the other end into the device A-axis interface. 2. Find a pry tool, gently pry open the rear cover of the device. Remove the cover. Unhook the A-axis interface. Thread the connection wire through the interface. And then plug the connector into the device interface. 3. Ensure that the rotary extension unit is placed parallel to the main machine's X-axis. 4. Enable the rotary extension settings in the software. This video ends here. Hope it helps you. See you in the next episode.